All right, so what we're going to think about doing right now is drawing a grid on a larger sheet of paper. But before I do, I want to give you guys this kind of like example, right? So let's say we're building a ladder, and better yet, let's build a ladder this way. And we have one side of the ladder, and then the second side of the ladder. All right, and you have to be able to climb it. It doesn't have any rungs yet. All right. If we were to put one rung right here, let's say that's 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5, 6, and on the other rung, if we put this at exactly the same height, so 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot, 6. Okay. 1 foot up, 1 foot up. This line is straight across. 2 feet up, 2 feet up, straight across. Because each, like, I don't know what you want to call it, point where the rung attaches is even, we have these nice straight rungs, okay? So this, woohoo, that's what we want, okay? Counter example. We have our two sides of the ladder, all right? But instead, okay, the first one is 1 foot up, but the other one is 1.5 feet up. Then we go a foot up, and then we go a foot up, a foot. And what's going on there is like we get our rungs are all screwy, okay? So when I describe the grid, what I've noticed is sometimes students don't understand why we're setting it up the way we're setting it up. And I'm hoping that in a minute, this little kind of visual example is going to help you out. So we're going to switch over to a bigger sheet of paper. And in the Google Classroom, we have different grids. We have grids that work with this size piece of paper. So you're going to have to put a new image in a new grid. Again, it's a different size sheet of paper, so there's different type of relationships. These are going to be 2 by 2 squares, and I'm going to work in this Sharpie marker, but you guys should most certainly work in pencil, and you should use light pencils. So here we go. We've got our piece of paper. Oh my gosh, let's see if we can get this all on the screen. Oh, it's going to be tough. So we're going to have to turn our ladder on its side, so hang in there, guys. All right, so the ladder is now on its side, and we've got... We have to pick one side to be the one we work off of, okay? I'm going to pick it to be the left. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Woohoo! All right, and like I said, you know, we want to... I worked off for the bottom. I worked off the left side, so we're going to have the left side for the top. Make sure my head's not in the way. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 16. Okay, and now we're going to connect the rungs of the ladder. And again, this is in Sharpie for you guys, but you know, make sure for this project you're working in that light pencil, because these grids really look nice when we can just totally erase them. But as we can see, whoops, get your thumb out of the way. You can see the rungs of my ladder are all very, very even. If I were using this ladder, I'd be very happy. So, if you guys are learning from my mistake, that's cool. All right, and now for the next set, we got to pick a side. I'm going to measure off the top. So we've got, it's going to be by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and then one more time off the top. Make sure the ruler is even with the side of the page. 2, 4, 10, and then once again, we connect. All right, so, picture that ladder, and what, gotta work off the same side both times. All right, so there is my grid. That was fun. So yeah, hopefully that works out for you guys.